Hello guys, I'm gonna show you today where you can find the download files on your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So we have go to the Samsung folder and click on the My Files. There you have to go to downloads, and as you can see there's like setting for hard reset and other APK file, and of course I'm gonna show you how to download something from the internet. So we are going to the Google. Right here, click on images. Oh, sorry, there is news. Oh, map. Oh, no. My mistake. Here we go here. And just go back. Okay. And now we go to the images. And if we wanna save this one, Google graphic, click on the graphic, download image. And now when we go back to the My Files, there will be screen from the Google. So yeah, thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.